Do you know you can choose whether your password is visible while typing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This can help you type more accurately or keep your password more private. Let me show you how to change it. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap More Security Settings. Then find Make Password Visible. Turn this option on or off depending on your preference. When this option is enabled, your phone will briefly show its character as you type your password, while when this option is off, your password will stay hidden for better privacy. These settings applies to most apps when entering password, but some apps may still keep password hidden for security reasons. And that's how you show or hide password characters while typing on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.